In this Nano review video, we're going to talk about coterminal angles. So the definition of a coterminal angle is just two angles that when you look at them, they look the same. The only difference is you've kind of revolved around the circle extra times. I've been working in degrees. All that means is they differ by a multiple of 360, because 360 is a full revolution around the circle, and you end up back in the same place. All right, so find the smallest positive angle coterminal of 495. Well, 495 is this big angle, so what I can do is I can subtract 360. So I'm going to take this angle and kind of go backwards a full circle. I end up back in the same place, and I get 135. All right, and that's going to be my smallest positive angle. How do I know it's the smallest one? Because if I would do this again, subtract another 360, I get a negative angle. All right, so pretty much any answer that's under 360 is your smallest coterminal angle, because if you subtracted 360 again, you get a negative. That's the smallest positive angle coterminal of 1295. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 360. I get 935. This angle's still bigger than 360, so I can keep going. I can keep undoing these revolutions. So next I'm going to subtract another 360 and get 575. And subtract another 360 and get 215. So 215 is going to be my answer because it's the first number I got under 360. All right, what about a negative angle? In this case, negative 640. Well, instead of subtracting 360, I'm just going to get a bigger negative. I want to add 360. All right, so I can add or subtract 360. It just does this full circle in different directions. But in this case, I add 360 to get negative 280. Still negative, so I add again and get positive 80. So positive 80 is my answer, and it's coterminal to negative 640. All right, so now you know how to find a coterminal angle in degrees.